Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Fitbit Charge 4. This is going to disconnect it from everything, unpair it from all your devices, and your watch will be like it was when it came out of the box. So it's real simple. All we need to do is turn it on and get the screen on, and then we can just go and scroll all the way to the right to settings. And then from there, we're going to scroll all the way down, click on About, and then from About, we're going to scroll all the way down again. And we're going to click on Clear User Data. Click on that. It will have this little warning screen that tells you if you do this, it's going to delete everything, it's going to unpair from everything, etc. We just do a little scroll down, hit the check mark, and then it will tell you that it is deleting everything, it is restarting everything. And once you do that, it will go through its little process, and then you'll see that it will pop up again with the screen here telling you, see, it's starting up again, and now you'll need to repair it with whatever devices you want to. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.